To watch all our videos, click subscribe, click on the bell icon and click all. Now navigate to the settings of your mobile phone. Go to apps and notifications. Notifications. YouTube, and make sure all the options on the right are turned on. Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we will learn about prepositions from and to. From, okay, from is in the, okay, in the. Now that in the takes up various forms, okay, vinda or vininda, ninda, linda, inda, dinda and rinda. Okay. Now once again there are no hard and fast rules to use this. So do not worry if you do not get it right. It comes with practice when you speak with those who know Kannada language. Okay. Now let us see the examples of these. Vinda or Vininda, okay. From Manju, okay. From Manju. Manju plus Vinda. Manju plus Vinda is Manju Vinda. Manju Vinda is from Manju, okay. From Raju. From Raju. Raju plus Vinda. Vinda is Raju Vinda. Okay. Raju Vinda is from Raju. From Raju. Now these are generally used on masculine names ending with U. Okay. These are the names of males. Okay. Males. And they end with U. And if they end with U, you use Vinda. Okay, Vinda. Or Vininda also. Vininda also. Now, in the previous slide, we have used Vinda, right? We have used Vinda. Now, Vininda can also be used. Okay, Vininda can also be used. Manju plus Vininda. Manju Vininda. Okay. Raju plus Vininda. Raju Vininda. Both means from Raju and from Manju. Okay. They are generally used on masculine names ending with U. Next. Ninda. Okay. Ninda. From Bengaluru. From Bengaluru. Bengaluru plus Ninda. Ninda, which becomes Bengaluru. What is it here? It is not Bengaluru, right? It is Bengaluri Ninda. Okay. Now this Ru becomes Ri. Ru becomes Ri. Now once again, there is no rule why it becomes from Ru to Ri. Of course, there is a rule, but for you, it may be confusing if I explain it here. Okay. So you can say Bengaluru Ninda. As you are learning Kannada, okay, you can say Bengaluru Ninda. It is also right. Okay. You just add these two and say to convey this from Bengaluru. Bengaluru plus Ninda, Bengaluru Ninda. Okay, but actual is Bengaluri Ninda. Ru becomes Ri. Okay. From the table. From the table. Meju plus Ninda. Okay, Meju plus Ninda becomes Meji Ninda. Okay, Meji Ninda. See, Ju became G. Okay, Ju becomes G. So this is the actual word that gives the meaning from the table. But as you are learning, you can say mejuninda. Okay, mejuninda. As you progress, as you practice, this will come automatically to you. Okay, when you speak with those who those who have Kannada as their mother tongue. From Mahesh, Mahesh plus Ninda, Mahesh plus Ninda, Mahesha Ninda. Now there is no change here. Okay, there is no change. Mahesha Ninda. You just add Ninda to the end to get the meaning from Mahesh. Okay. From the nose, Mugu plus Ninda, Mugu plus Ninda. Okay, here Mugu is nose. Mugu plus Ninda becomes Mugi, Mugi Ninda. Okay, Gu becomes Gi here. Gu becomes Gi. So Mugi Ninda is the actual correct translation, but you can say Mugu Ninda. Okay, when you are starting out. Okay. Next, Linda. Okay, not Linda. It is not L. L. Linda is different. This is Linda. Okay, you have to practice pronouncing this. Now, from Gita. Gita plus Linda. Gita plus Linda becomes Gita Linda. Okay, there is no change here. You just add these two and write and pronounce also. Gita Linda. Gita Linda means from Gita. From Sahana. Sahana plus Linda. Sahana plus Linda becomes Sahana Linda. Okay, there is no change here. Sahana remains Sahana itself. Linda is added to the end. Okay, generally we use this on feminine names which end with ye. Okay, Gita ends with ye, Sahana ends with ye. So the names that end with ye and the names of girls or female, they are converted to from by adding Linda. Okay, we use Linda on feminine names ending with ye. Next, Inda. Okay, Inda. From the dog. Nai. Inda. Okay, Nai plus Inda. Nai Inda. Nai is dog. Nai plus Inda, which is a preposition. Nai plus Inda. Nai Inda. Nothing changes here. Nai remains same Nai. You just add Inda. Okay, which gives you the translation from the dog. From the house. Mane plus Inda. Mane, which is house, plus Inda becomes Mane Inda. Okay, Mane Inda means from the house. From Rashmi. Rashmi plus Inda. Rashmi plus Inda. Okay, Rashmi Inda. Once again, there is no change here. Rashmi, add Inda, Rashmi Inda, which becomes from Rashmi. Okay. From the head. Tale plus Inda. Tale, which is head, plus Inda, which is a preposition. Tale plus Inda, Tale Inda. There is no change here. Just add two words together and pronounce. Okay, Tale Inda. Now, previously we saw that we use Linda to feminine noun, which feminine names which end with ye, right? Now, Inda is used on feminine names which end with I. Okay, this is the name of a lady, Rashmi, which ends with I. If the name of the lady ends with I, then we use Inda. Inda. Okay. If it ends with A, then Linda. Okay. Like what we saw in the previous slide. Next, Dinda. Dinda. Okay. From the tree. From the tree. Mara plus Dinda. Mara Dinda. Mara plus Dinda. Mara Dinda. Mara means tree. Okay, tree. There is no change here. You just add these two together and write it and pronounce also. Maradinda means from the tree. From the speech, Bhashana, Bhashana, which means speech. Bhashana plus Dinda is Bhashana Dinda. Bhashana Dinda. Once again, there is no change. You just add Bhashana and Dinda. Okay. From Kundapura. From Kundapura. Kundapura is a place. Kundapura plus Dinda. Kundapura plus Dinda becomes Kundapura Dinda. Kundapura Dinda. Okay. No change here. You just add these two and write it. From the gallbladder. Okay, from the gallbladder. Pitta kosha, which is gallbladder, part of human body. Pitta kosha, gallbladder, plus Dinda. Pitta kosha Dinda. Okay, means from the gallbladder. There is no change here. Just add these two together and write and pronounce. Okay. Now, we are done with from. We have to see to. Okay. To. To is gay or k or lu or like. Okay. To get to, the meaning of to, we have four. Gay, K, not K, K, lu and like. Okay. Now this gay may take two forms, which is nige and vige. Okay, nige and vige. We'll see the examples. Now, to noun. We have gay and K. Okay. Now we'll see the examples. To Manju. To Manju, Manju plus Vige, okay, Manju plus Vige is Manju Vige, which means to Manju, okay, to Manju. That is the first usage of ge, Vige, okay, Vige. Now we generally use ge or Vige when the name ends with U. When the name ends with U. Male name ends with U. Okay. Next example. To Rama. Rama plus Nige. Okay. Nige is one more version of ge. Rama plus Nige is Rama Nige. Okay, Rama Nige. There is no change here. Just add these two and write it together. Rama Nige means to Rama. Okay, to Rama. Next example. To Rashmi. Rashmi plus ge. Just the plain ge. Rashmi plus ge. Rashmi ge. Once again, nothing changes. You just add these two and write and pronounce. Okay. Next, to the head. to the head. Tale, tale, which is head, tale plus ge, ge. Tale plus ge, talege, talege. Okay, we use ge, talege, which means to the head. Okay, to the head. Okay, to America, America, to America, America, America. Okay, America plus K, K. Okay, not K, not mild K, it is K. America K. Okay, America K, to America. To rice, to rice. Anna, Anna means rice plus K, K, which becomes Annakke. Annakke means to rice. Okay, that is to and noun. If you want to have noun with to, then these two are used. If you want to have verb, verb and to, you have to use lu and likke. Okay, lu and likke. To go, to go, to go is hogalu, hogalu. Hogu, hogu, hogu means go, hogu means go. Hogu plus lu, hogalu, hogalu. Hogalu means to go. Okay, now you see hogu is go, but here you see hogalu. Gu became ga here. Okay, gu became ga, and then you added lu. Okay, once again, there is no rule to mention here, it will come by practice. Or you can say hogalikke, hogalikke, to go. Hogu plus likke, hogalikke. Once again, gu becomes ga, and then you add likke. Okay, to do, to do, madalu. Okay, or madalikke, similar to this. Do is madu. Okay, madu means do, madu means do. Madu plus lu becomes madalu, madalu. Do becomes da, and you add lu at the end, madalu. Okay, which means to do. Or you can say madalikke, madalikke. Madu plus likke, madu plus likke becomes madalikke. Do becomes da, and you add likke at the end. Okay, which gives you madalikke, which means to do. Okay, click subscribe, click on the bell icon, and click on all to get notified when we post a new video. If you want to watch more videos, click on the channel and click on playlists and follow any playlist that you want.